So here we have the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Titanium X Automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through some controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. You'll see as we approach the back of the car, we've got reversing sensors, that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and plenty of boot space as well. So I'm just going to work my way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, not only can you see that it's in great condition, but it's a really fantastic colour for this car as well. Before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get full leather seats, which are in great condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the fuel gauge in the middle at the bottom, and then above that the total miles on this car, which are 9,389. You can change the information that's displayed there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy information. And then above that it will show you what gear we're in. Obviously that would be park at the moment as we're stationary. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got stereo controls. That button in the middle is the voice activation for the phone, so hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list and it will do that for you, once you've paired your phone, that is. And over on the right hand side we've got cruise control. The pairing of the phone is done using the stereo system in the middle and the screen that's directly in front of you there. Beyond that, you can see that this car's got FM radio. If I give the radio button a push on the main unit, you'll see it's got DAB radio as well. And if we go all the way around, you'll see the car's got AM as well as that. On top of that, there's a few other ways of listening to music. You've got a CD player on the main unit just there. And on the stereo unit itself, there's an auxiliary button. If I push that, it will show us that we've got a USB connection and also Bluetooth audio as well. So there's a number of ways of listening to music on this car. Working our way down, you can see there's a few buttons around the outside. This car's got satellite navigation, which you can access by pushing that button. And on top of all of that, if I put the car into reverse, this car has a reversing camera and reversing sensors, and you can see there's guidelines shown so that you know exactly what direction the car is headed in relation to what you see on the camera as well. Working our way down past the stereo, we've got climate control. So you can adjust the fan speed on the right, temperature on the left, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto and the car will maintain that temperature for you. And then you can override it by adjusting the fan speed yourself. You can then determine where in the car you'd like the air to blow. And you've got a heated front screen there. On top of the heated front screen, we've got heated passenger and driver seats, which is obviously fantastic, both with leather and obviously for the winter, which is coming up. You then have the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and the USB input to connect a music device, which I mentioned briefly a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.